If you use Microsoft Edge and you want to turn off the performance detector, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable performance detector in Edge in just a few clicks. This is a simple setting change, but it can be really useful if you don't want Edge actively monitoring performance behavior or showing performance-related prompts. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump straight in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings menu where you can access all of Edge's built-in options. From here, click on Settings. Inside the settings page, look at the menu on the left side and select System and the Performance. This section controls browser startup, efficiency options, and the performance-related features. After that, find and click on Performance. Depending on your version of Edge, this may appear as a subsection under System and Performance, so just follow the performance-related options until you see it. Once you're on the Performance page, look for the option labeled Enable Performance Detector. You should see a toggle switch next to it. To disable it, simply click the toggle so it turns off. When the switch is off, Performance Detector is no longer enabled in Microsoft Edge. That's all there is to it. No extra steps, no complicated setup, and no advanced settings needed. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can always return to the same menu and switch it on again. This is one of those small browser settings that can make your experience a little more tailored to how you like to work. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.